The blue surfaces show all material below a given thickness threshold. This map provides a clear and intuitive depiction of the depth variations within your part. Welcome to veoCAST, the ultimate tool for simple, precise, and fast analysis of cast parts. I'm Sarah, and I'll be guiding you through the various functionalities that veoCAST has to offer. Today, our focus is on depth scopes, a vital feature for making informed decisions about part design and mold construction in the casting process. Analyzing surface depth is instrumental in understanding the internal structure and predicting how the material will solidify. Areas with varying depths can cool at different rates, leading to potential issues such as warping, internal stresses, or even casting defects like porosity. Depth analysis is especially critical for complex parts, assessing the feasibility of casting and guiding necessary design modifications for casting compatibility. Depth scopes also play a key role in optimizing mold design. By comprehending depth variations, mold modifications can be made to enhance filling, cooling, and ejection of the cast part. In depth scopes analysis, we visualize the wall thickness at each surface point through different surface colorations. The identified depth values represent the diameter of the maximum inscribable sphere touching the colored surface point. This tool provides valuable insights into thickness distribution and critical area, crucial for optimizing casting processes. Let's now delve into veoCAST. The Depth Scopes tab is organized into two main sections. In the calculation area at the top, you can initiate the analysis. Let's give it a try. As you'll notice, veoCAST generates a color-coded depth map, as I previously explained. Other than the 2-point measurements formed the minimum wall thickness analysis, the blue surfaces show all material below a given thickness threshold. This map provides a clear and intuitive depiction of the depth variations within your part, enhancing your understanding. The calculated depth values are evenly divided into 10 distinct color ranges, which are displayed in the Depth Scopes section. In this area, you have the flexibility to modify properties such as color or value range, and you can immediately update the visualization using the Update Depth Scopes feature. We can now thoroughly inspect the entire component. For instance, areas where the cooling behavior might be critical can be pinpointed. As evident here, this area exhibits significant variation in depth values, underscoring the need for detailed examination. By identifying such critical areas early in the design process, we can significantly save time and resources by avoiding unnecessary cycles of simulations and geometry changes. This proactive approach to analysis not only streamlines the design phase but also enhances the overall efficiency and cost-effectiveness of the process. Thank you for tuning in. If this video was helpful and you're keen to learn more about veoCAST, click here to access our playlist. Alternatively, browse our channel for further insights and information. We look forward to seeing you again soon.